Hello guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back. Today it's a new day. That means a new challenge. We will try to improve our boat in the spring challenge of a coding game. That's the last challenge from them. I didn't stream previous days. But on Friday I think I managed to get to Bronze League. Today the Silver League was opened, but we are not yet there. So mainly the goal for today will be to get to Silver and improve our rank. Let's just run and see where we are at, and I'll just quickly run the IntelliJ idea. Hi Alexandra. Hi the pianist 59. How is it going, guys? So IntelliJ idea is opening. Why it's so laggy? What do you think of the what is ISMCTS? So why it was so laggy? Let me just refresh it. Okay, let's run the code and see what the new bot is capable of. Information set Monte Carlo tree search. I'm not aware of that algorithm. Probably I don't know it by name. Maybe if I would see the implementation I can understand it. What's the idea in that algorithm? Is it for pathfinding? Oh, like the blind war, where you don't see the enemies. Actually, I should give it a look into it. But I think until then we still have things to improve, because I remember our obstacle avoidance algorithm was not performing very well, and sometimes two of my packs were colliding, and I think it was happening quite a lot, and I was losing quite often because of that. And also there are some other things to improve, to easily improve. And so I just want to get to a point where my oh, here it is, my packs are colliding. Okay, so what are we debugging here? Yeah, I didn't code for 2 days, and it will take some time to get into the flow again. I mean, for this challenge. It's an algorithm to explore nodes to find the best moves, where you randomize the information that you don't have. If I understand well this part, I'm still learning. Let's give it a look together. I'm also learning Monte Carlo tree search, right? Or its information set. Alright, there is a lot of reading, and I think I'll not bore everyone with it. but I'll definitely give it a look, because I was also researching some algorithms to find like the best moves, and in order to this looks like min max, in order to find a path that collects more pellets, and I think that's something interesting to get into, but maybe not today. I implemented pathfinding with BFS, so yeah, it works well so far. So why are you colliding? So play spec 0, this one. Other obstacles is 15.4, it's this one. Target is 15.3. Okay, the first one should move because he's the first one going and he should have priority. Okay, but the second one should see that our pack with ID 0 will be here and should change his direction. So place pack 1. My teammate next position is 15.3. That's true, 15.3. Other obstacles 15.3, target 15.3. And he's going there. Yeah, let's probably see get okay. Strafe, hello, how's it going? Are you already in silver? So going to our BFS, for example, in where is it? Let's move it here. For example, in this case we are in 15.4 and our target is 15.3. Okay, so map. This is ocean of a code. I was looking at the different code and couldn't understand why it looks different. Okay, yeah, here it is, our BFS. So yeah, get path BFS, and the first thing that it check if the destination is free, but it's not free because our opponent will go there. So why? Not yet. I'm 318 bronze still. Yeah, I'm also somewhere there. Did you have time to improve it, to work, or? Okay, I think this one is so if this one should be good, and maze at Y and X, this is as well should be good. Destination get Y, get okay, what's happening then there? Okay, this method is where we try to find the next destination. So map with obstacles, get obstacles, and I print other obstacles, and it prints a pretty good map with obstacles point y point x equal true. So other obstacles is 15.3. Is true. True means is an obstacle. Yep, true means it's an obstacle. So point get I can't really think of how to improve it much from here. So, like, some of my ideas that I think are quite easy to implement is, the first one is, in the beginning you are sending the some of your packs to the super pellets, and perfectly you would send it to the closest one. But for example, my packs, there can be a situation where 2 of my packs will go to the same super pellet, and that doesn't make a lot of sense, and that's happening because they are working independently and not like as a team. So what I'm thinking to do after I fix this problem with obstacle avoidance is to send to the super pellets only one pack, and the other one can go and collect other pellets if there is no other super pellet on the map. So I don't know if you implemented that. If you didn't implement that, maybe you can try it, or like, where are you? Can you share? Okay, let's see. Get map of obstacles. Point causes point for current distance. Balance position. BFS distance. Position map with other obstacles. It's current distance. Oh, it's. I think I'm getting the distance from the pallet to the pack, and that's why the destination is actually the pack, and it doesn't check it. So if I just reverse this, so we get the distance from pack position to the pallet position. Now the pallet position, there is an obstacle. It's actually our pack, and it should check another destination. I took care of that case already, but now that I think about it, I don't have a really good collisions checks. Yeah, maybe even the collisions that I'm implementing are not the best, because we're not looking in future. So for example, if this pack wants to go here, he'll say that it's not possible because this pack is here. But until this pack arrives here, this pack might not be here. So it's also not the perfect one, but at least it should. Okay, I didn't update the code. At least it should handle like obvious cases where they just collide. I don't want that to happen, and after that I can definitely improve it. I make them move randomly 1% of the time to make sure they're not always stuck. I'm not sure if that's the best idea, but yeah, it's a simple solution that. Oh, I played it from the beginning. I should have replayed in the same condition to see. Now it will be harder, but let's see. So, do they collide? Okay. I'm not sure if I'm checking enemy's position. I think I'm checking their current position and not like next position. Yeah, I think I fixed this bug with colliding with the teammates. No, not again. Come on. What's happening? Let's see. So this is pack 3 and this is pack 1. So place pack 1. My teammate next position is 10. This is 9-1, right? Yeah, this is 9-1. And there is no 9-1 here. That's good because the pack with ID 1 is before pack with ID 3. So it says that my target is 9 and 1. Okay. I need the pack 3. Place pack 3. My teammate next position is 9-1 and this is this one. Going there. Other obstacles, okay. Target still 9-1. Come on, what's happening? Did it update here? BFS distance, let's just check. Position, pallet position. So my position till the pallet position. Leave current distance. Okay, this one. BFN node, BFS, get path, map, this source, and the target is, yeah, that's right. So let's just debug something here. Destination, and let's set the destination is not free. Okay, let's try right now. So we get here. Do we see anything like destination? No, we see nothing. Okay, destination. Place pack 3. Exactly. Pack 3. It sees our obstacles correctly. Target 9-1. Oh, this error is driving me crazy. Other obstacles, destination 9-1 is not free. Why only now you are saying that? So in the pack we call the place pack. First of all, it tries to speed, it doesn't matter, it tries to move. Next position, okay. Our packs at next position if it's not null or pack. Where we are computing it 2 times. Target mob get next pallet. Move. So something is not good because destination 9.1 is not free, is called only here after we print target. You see there is a target, we display our obstacles, and only now it says destination is not free. That means that map get obstacles, this one is correct, but get next pallet, something here is not correct. Map with obstacles, this I think is good. Come on. If equal to z point, palette new point. Come on. So BFS map get obstacles. Position and target. This and target. Here is the map. Come on, why? The map. Should we display here the map? If current distance. Okay, it's not here. I think it should be here. So BFS distance, position, map with obstacles. I'm wondering if our map is not getting changed there, but it shouldn't, in my opinion. So in current distance, okay, we changed it there, but we did not change it here because it should be from tag position to pallet position. So that was for super pallets and this is for usual pallets. So let's replay in the same conditions and hopefully it's fixed. Yeah, I don't know how to feel when you have like a very stupid bug and you spend like a lot of time finding it, and in the end like you find it but you don't know like should I feel proud of myself or not. Okay, it worked. Here we see that this one goes here and the other one runs away. Okay, this is another thing that I'm thinking to implement. moving from one side of the map to the other side. And probably I should add it to my notes because I will forget. When computing pathfinding, take into consideration the next PEX position. I think that's done. Implement take into consideration going through borders to the other side. Maybe I can even submit it because of that bag I was losing a lot of games. So yeah, maybe. So I think let's try. Let's give it a try. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would mean really a lot to me. Yeah, we are winning a couple of them. I saw that a lot of, like, not a lot of people are watching my streams, but the people that are watching are not subscribed, so I will try to stream and make videos more about CodinGame and also other interesting stuff. So we are winning. Here we lost. Let's see why. Don't say that I'm colliding again. Yeah, I do. What's happening here? Let's send it to the idea. Okay, this is Pac 0, this is Pac 1. Place Pac 0. Other obstacles. 16, 5. 16, 5. Yep. 4, 3. Target 12, 5. Oh, target is 12, 5. Okay, and then place Pac 1. My teammate's next position is 15, 5. Yep. Other obstacles 15, 5. Target 12, 5. But there is an obstacle on his way. Oh, I think I know. Even if there is an obstacle, I think my pathfinding algorithm will give him this route because he wants to get there to get that one. But at the end, what I'm displaying is just the target position. And what CodinGame inside does, it just calls the BFS and the closest path to that position, and it will not go like this. But I am finding it probably correctly for here. Okay, all right. Should I just probably I should just move not to my final target, but just yeah, 2 or 1 step in ahead. Why 2? Because if we are speeding and we say to move to 1 step further, you will actually lose speed. I mean, you will go like only 1 turn, but you can actually go 2 turns if you are speeding. So yeah, I think that we might implement that one. Let's where is my notes? Come on, notes. Um, move to a step ahead and not to the final destination. And then move only the closest pack to the super pallet and not everybody. All right. So what's happening here with the last battles? We are 30% and probably we are very far from getting promoted. So that means that we should implement some of the things that we plan, and probably it will be easy to implement the moving to, come on, where is it? I'm always getting lost. Notes. Yeah, I think that we are gonna handle this problem. No, this one. Move 2 steps ahead and not to the final destination. And this should probably fix the problem that occurs right now. If I replay, I think it runs in the same conditions. Yeah, it runs with the same condition. So, let's check it. So in the pack we have, I'm thinking why I thought to call BFS again after finding the target. I really don't understand why I did that. And I'm afraid if I'll delete it was with a purpose. We are finding the target. Yeah, probably we don't need it. Oh, okay. That's finding the path and move to. It has a path. Okay, path going from position. Okay, path get next position. Oh, and here path get next point. Interesting how I'll manage speed here, because next point just gives you the point ahead, but I want 2 points in future. So if next position get no. So the path is a node. Why I can't? No, I think I get. So path get next position. So if path dot get next point, I will probably save it here. So node will be what's happening here? Get next point, get parent, while parent equal null. Parent get parent. Next get second next point, and this will be while parent get parent is different than null, and parent dot get parent that will be very funny, dot get parent, basically grandparent. Is it not null? We will do that, return parent, return p. Yeah, I think that's what I'm trying to do here. And then in the pack, path null, second next point here. Can it be null? BFS get second. X and Y will be our position. It doesn't have a parent, and it will return just our position, and it's not gonna be null. But if it has only one position in the future, if it's the next one, all right. If his destination is the next point, our while the condition of here will not be true, because there is no grandchild, because there is only two nodes in the path, and that means that it will not go here, and it will just return the destination. I think is good. Yeah, I was thinking that it will return our position, but it actually will return the destination. So I think we are good there. Point next destination will be path dot get second next point may produce null pointer exception. That's weird. We'll see if. So we will move next destination to next destination. Let's see if we fixed this problem with them colliding. Sorry. Yeah. He started going away. Did it compute all of them? So yeah, with this fix, let's try to resubmit. Okay, let's see. So I'm the blue one. Here is not a lot of pallets. They can rather go here and take all of them and but they go to the closest palette, so it makes sense, but that probably should be improved. So someone is saying you can store the last position of a Pac-man to see if one of them is stuck, and choose a random location just for them who are stuck. Yeah, that's also a great idea. Yeah, I think that's not very hard to implement and will probably perform better than just randomly moving 1% of the time. So let's see here in the beginning what's happening. I think yeah, these two are headed for this palette, super palette. These two are headed for this super palette, and they are yeah, I think that I'll implement this check to send to a super palette only one of my packs, and it's somewhere here. Okay, this one is implemented. Move 2 steps ahead and not to the final destination. Okay. Move only the closest pack, or this one, but it doesn't happen too often. And which one, guys, to start working on? To take into consideration going through the borders to the other side of the map, or to move only the closest pack to the super palette and not everybody. Yeah, maybe this one will be not that hard to implement, to take into consideration going through borders to the other side of the map. But first of all, let's read the rules about it, and then we can implement. So, okay. If the packs are of the same time, okay. Where does it say that? Maps are always symmetrical across the central vertical axis. Most grids will have floor tiles on the left and right edges. Packs can wrap around the map and appear on the other side by moving through these tiles. On the game, okay, and that means that it's only on the left and the right. All right, let's check. That's where our BFS is going, and get path BFS. So, okay. Okay, he's doing it like this. If it's free and it checks all the directions, and in most cases there is a wall around, so we'll not be able to go there, but in some cases we can, and that means that yeah, it will be if you want to make it another implementation would be possible in your pack master. Use a hash map to associate a Pac-Man and a destination. My last idea was just to avoid them to be stuck. Yeah, but why not to keep them instead of a hash map, to keep the next destination on the pack itself, on the class pack, because that's how I am doing. Oh, just use the modulo for the X. Oh, yeah, but what happens in the other direction? -1 modulo the width is. I'm that good at math. No, I think it's only when it goes to the right direction it works. But if it's going to -1, -1 modulo n equal n -1. Really? Okay, my brain is frozen right now. So that means that we always do modulo on the x with the map with maze dot length, but not maze dot length will be the height and this will be the width. I made that, but in Python I can very easily test that. See out. So we want to say -1%, for example 15, and then we're gonna say 15%. Okay, we found this. It can be replaced with a 0. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Play my code. Yeah, that would be if it works. Array index out of bound. Oh, I think I was doing something there. But let's check. No, it's -1. -1 modulo 15 is -1. So it will not go there. Yeah, maybe that's in Python. Yeah, it didn't make sense for me, -1 modulo and okay, in BFS. Then I'll have to do a lot of tests. No problem, no problem. Yeah, in Python everything I think is easier. Even like things like accessing like the last element is just the array at -1, and things like that are much easier in Python. In this case, add the size of a map. Yeah, that probably is a good idea. So it's -1 plus 15 modulo that, and here is 15 plus 15 modulo this one. Let's see. Let's check modulo 14, and that's yeah, that's that's true, and this is 0. Damn, you're smart. Thank you. Thank you a lot. That saved me a lot of time. So in BFS, okay, let's okay, that's no, I will declare a variable. I don't want to change it everywhere. So int x will be px plus 1 at the size of a maze. In Java -1% and -1 equal -1 still. Yeah, we discovered it. So plus maze at 0.length, because this is the width, and here percent maze at 0.length. But I would do one more thing. I would do int width equal to this width and modulo width. And then here we can just use x and x, and the same thing for here, where x is -1. Hopefully I'll not fuck up anything. X here, x. So here x is the same, we don't need anything, and yeah, here just x and x, and yeah, it's gonna be the same, but I would like to have it here in order to avoid some bugs in future if I want to just change the place of them. So yeah, -1 plus size of a grid, it will fix this problem with minute 1 without changing the final result. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I think it will work. Let's just see. Yeah, the pianist, that's the formula I used, like x plus width percentage width. Yeah, thank you very much. So here there are no tunnels through the map. Here, what's happening? Yeah, it just doesn't want to go there. Did I time out? Where are all the pallets? This one, he's now blocked by that player, and that means that the pack here won't have any targets. and it will print where all the pallets and try to move just to random position 0. Exception in thread mail. Okay. Oh, the path is null. Okay, I think I understand. The path is null. Yeah, we'll declare it here as the point. And if it's not null, only then we can, and only here we can say next destination equal to the Siri. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, let's see with the same condition if it fixed. What's going on with the battles? I was on place 300. I thought that I improved my bot and now I am on 1000. All right. Yeah, maybe I was timeouting. I'm not sure if I had this bug there. Here we can see that he successfully goes to the other side and comes back. Oh, that's pretty nice. Okay, let's try to submit this one because the previous one I don't know what happened. It's 1200. How are you doing, guys? Did you manage to improve? Here we lost. Okay, he ate one of my packs. But I think overall from the beginning, he started collecting more pallets, like here. He has 23, I have 21. Why is that happening? Because I am blue. All right, I know what's happening. This pack, he went to the closest super pallet, which is this one, and after he ate it, the next closest super pallet is this one, and he sees that he doesn't have a path through here, and he decides to go through here, and that's why he is moving and without eating any pellets. I think that's a good game to take it into our IDE and try to implement our next point in our spreadsheet, in our notes. Sorry. So take into consideration going through borders to the other side of the map. Done. Thanks to you guys. Move only the closest pack to the super pallet and not everybody. Okay, this is what we will try. Hello, Daniel. Okay, yeah, we see here he's trying to go to this pallet. We don't want that. Okay, now some of the logic should move from the pack into the pack master. And probably I should just get the list of all the super pellets from the map, and then not to find the distance from the pack to the super pellet, but otherwise from the super pellet to the closest pack, and just set the destination to that pack. And this will be even helpful because it will take into consideration enemy packs as well. So if my enemy is much closer to the super pellet, I'll just give up on that super pellet and just go for the small pellets, in order not to go through some paths that maybe don't have any pellets. And okay, for that reason I think we will have to implement a method here, public void it will return an array list of positions, get super pellets, super pellets pause. Okay, and it will probably loop through the pellets. So if pellets at I and j is equal to 10, that means that okay, let's declare here the array list that will store these points. New array list, and here we will say points dot add new point, and the position will be j and I for the vertical axis, and then we can just return the points. All right, we have it. And then in the packmaster, in the packmaster we will say in the play here find closest packs to super pellets. A very descriptive name. Okay, private void. We will first of all receive a array list of pellets position, equal map.get super pellets positions. Then we will loop for each of them. So it's a point pellet position in pellets position. Okay, it's with an E. All right, and so let's see how we will call them. Packmaster. Here we will loop through each pack on the map. So for packs dot add all. No, we okay. Array list of packs all packs equal to new array list of packs. We add our packs there with add all, and we also add our enemy packs there. All packs add all, get enemy dot get packs. And here we loop through all the packs. Pack closest pack equal to null, then integer mean distance equal to, I don't know, current int current distance will be pallet position. No, let's do it pack.get position dot bfs distance to pallet position, and the map. All right. Okay, map. Just get map dot get obstacles, and for the other obstacles, what should we say for the other obstacles? Let's now send the empty array list. And then we will think. Maybe we should consider other obstacles. Okay, so if closest pack equal to null, or the current distance is less than the mean distance, that means that closest pack equal to pack. Okay, mean distance equal to distance, and then we should say, let's just if pack, I want to check if it's mine. So a pack should have something I want. Okay, boolean is mine, and private boolean is mine equal to nothing. This dot is mine equal to is mine. And then we also need just a getter. Get is get let's generate it easier. So generate getter for is mine. All right, and then in the player we just send is mine. That's because here I will be able to check if the closest pack is not null, and closest pack is mine. Then we can say, what can we say? Pack to set the target. From where to set the target in here, before moving, we will check if there is a target. Let's try. Next position. Let's also implement set next position. So the packmaster can say pack.set next position to the pallet position, right? Close this pack, okay. Okay, we find that, we set it there. So let me think. Fuck, next position, no. Okay, before we move, we should check if next position is not null. Then we will just move to next position and the path. Okay, other packs. We can move it a little bit. Or okay. Oh, this one can be simplified, but I will not get into it. Okay, and here we will return next position. Move to next position. Let me just also, I am going to get the super palette and here we'll display the next position. All right. I also should. Okay, and now get next palette position. Here we don't need to find to check the palettes with 10. Yep, we don't need this one. We don't need this one. And we will check only if it's 1. Because if it goes into this method, that means that his target shouldn't be the super palette, because we pre-compute the super palette beforehand. So let's check here. What was the problem again here? We were... I don't remember. Oh, here. Our blue one took this one and tried to go here. But if we replay, let's see. So it takes this one and then it goes further. Okay, we will still not win him. So here is Pac-man has died. But we are a bit closer to winning. So let's try to submit this one. We are on the 80th place. Our goal for today is to get to the silver. So here we lost a battle. We are the red one. All right. First of all, I think, yeah, let's see in the beginning what's happening. Okay. All right, I think I know what's happening here. This this pack should go to take this super pellet and this pack should take the other one, but both of them are closer to this one, so it sets the target of both of them to this one, and this one doesn't have any target, so it goes around the map. Because look how he is doing. He went with one for this one and with the other pack for this super pallet, but I'm not doing the same, so I think I'm losing one pallet. Yeah, he steals it with this one. All right, that's a good way, a good and easy way to improve. We can send it to our idea and yeah, it's right in the beginning. That's quite easy to improve because find closest. Okay, for pallets. If pack. Okay, we will do like this. If pack dot get next position is different than null, then it already has a destination. So we should just continue to the next pack and ignore this one. That should fix it. Let's replay, and one of them should go here, the other one should go here. Will it? Come on. No. But still, yeah, it did it in another way. But still pretty okay. It just probably started with no, it started with this one. And this one should be maybe started with this palette first, and it found that the closest pack is this one, and it took it. Yeah, that's what it did. But okay, I think it's pretty good. Right. What are people doing here? So let's check. So pack 1 has died, pack 2 has died. Yeah, with only one pack, with only 2 packs. But I'm still going good. But yeah, of course, like 2 packs versus 4 packs. Okay. So did I just ate more pellets than him? All right. Let's see how we're doing against the bot. Yeah, I think he's winning me. All right. Yeah, I'm not using any defense or attack mechanism. I'm just focusing on collecting pellets. Here I'm winning. So what's happening over here? We are 600. Let's check some other games that I'm losing, because I'm a loser. That's stupid. And he just ate me. Okay. All right. Guys, I'm gonna be back in just 2 seconds. I'm gonna grab some water. Hey guys. So, what's happening over here? We are losing some of the games. Too many, in my opinion. Did we lose this game? How? He just ate me? Yeah. But we were winning quite a bit. So what he's consoling? Okay, stuck and he's moving. Okay, yeah, in the beginning it was going pretty well. But because he ate us, yep. Yeah, it's weird with this ranking because sometimes I'm rank 80, sometimes I'm ranked like 300, 400, even though that theoretically I improved it. I improved the code, but so what's the next easy thing to improve? All right. Some attacking maybe. Because here, like, look, I lost one of my packs. Yep. Why am I even going there? Because I think, oh, he just wants to go to the pallet. Okay. Hey guys, do you have any easy ideas that I could implement? I don't want to get into the improving the pathfinding because that's gonna take a lot of time. I don't know what about like attacking and defense. Should I get into it? Is there anything easy that I can implement just to boost me into the next league? So if an enemy is close to me and if I can beat him, I should just try to go and follow him until I kill him. But he might be on a I might just chase him around the whole map and never catch him, and he's getting all the points and I'm just going behind him. You can keep track if the opponent packs are visible or not and switch your type if you're near. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to think. Oh, actually, I see them only. Yeah. In my mind, I thought that I can see them everywhere, but I see them only like, yeah, in my line. So in that case, yeah, but just changing the type without rushing into them, it will not make any difference. I'll just, yeah. Let's see. So what's going on here? Yeah, I think I'm not gonna get promoted. Okay. So find. Do I have in the pack the type? No, I think I don't keep the type. So how do they send us the type? As numbers? Type ID. The pack types rock or papers or scissors. Is it string? Player. Type ID. Type ID. 0, 1, and 2, I guess. Okay. I would say, yeah, let's send it there. Type ID. And here private type ID, which is an integer. Integer type ID, or maybe any num. Pack types rock, paper, scissors. So first is rock, paper, and scissors. How to write scissors? And this is pack type. Type equal to pack types dot rock pack types dot paper, and in our case it will be else it will be scissors. Okay, we have a pack types. We have enemy positions of the packs. Okay. In the play, I will say compute enemy distances, and in that method we will just check the distance to all enemy position. So it's a private void. So for each pack in my pack master dot get enemy dot get packs. So for each enemy pack, we will keep a hash map here of hash map of a pack and the distance. Enemy packs better equal to new hash map. All right, so we will add enemy packs dot put pack and then position dot bfs distance to pack, and here empty array list probably. New boolean like this. No, what's no. Pack master. I'm searching. This line. Pack get position bfs distance. Okay, map get obstacles. That's what I was trying to. Pack map dot get obstacles new array list, and here wrong first argument type found pop required point. Okay, easy get position. Okay, we have a distance to all our pack, all enemy packs. Right now. Okay, let's see. Try attacking. Try attacking. Private void. Try attacking. So do I need the distance to all enemies or only to the closest one? But I can, we'll see, because I still have to calculate the distance to all of the enemies, so why not keeping them? Maybe we will need it later. So private void yeah, I need to change the charger to the other PC. So okay, private void get closest enemy. All right, so back and is null for how to loop through app.entry. This one will be closest back. Integer min dist will be probably something like that. Map dot entry. Why? That doesn't work. Pack enemy packs dot entry set. Map dot entry. Why it doesn't work here? Map dot we need this one. Yep, we needed that import. So if closest Pac equal to null, if it's the first one, or if pack.get value, which is a distance, is less than minimal distance, operator cannot apply to Java object and integer. I think integer like this. Pack.get value, come on. Should it be like this? Condition is always true. Why? Closest pack equal to pack.get key and minimal distance equal to pack.get value. And here we just return closest pack. We should just change it from a void to a pack. Map. What happened? Cannot find. Is it something because of this map? If I just refactor it, I think it's just because of a hash map. Maze map. Yes. No. What's happening? You have conflicting imports because you're using Java map as a class name. Alright. Oh yeah. I think I should just refactor it to maze. So did I break anything right now? Everything? Two classes with name map. Yeah, the map from Java and my maze. And here this is not map, this is maze. Let's refactor it back to maze. maze. Yeah, right now seems to be fixed. So what I was doing there, try attacking. So pack closest enemy pack, get closest enemy. If enemy pack is null, then we return from here. Otherwise we should check if we can beat him. If this beats enemy pack, do something, but we should implement the public method beats. Or a better name, public boolean F2. When IntelliJ IDEA takes you to the next error in the file, I find this shortcut super handy. Alright, F2. Okay, that's super nice. I didn't know about that. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm learning something from out of this life as well. So, beats also pack. So, I will have to if type a lot of ifs. Guys, maybe you give me a hint of easier check, the same way we did with the other one. But I'll try if type is first one is rock. Return pack dot type equals to rock beats. Oh, but I should check also the draw. Yeah, but yeah, I will consider only if it beats. So return pack dot type rock beats paper, right? No, scissors. If type equal to pack type rock paper, then it beats only if the enemy type is pack type dot paper beats rock. Yeah, am I correct? Type if pack types dot scissors beats paper. Return pack dot type equals pack type paper. So if this beats enemy pack, then we should go to the enemy. Let's just try move to enemy pack dot position. I quit the challenge. Enough headache. Why do you do so? What happened? It just started. Like, take a break. Like, come tomorrow, or and you'll have like new ideas and everything will be nice. Enemy pack dot get position. Right? Move to cannot be applied. Null. Okay, this attacking who? Enemy pack dot get ID. My school didn't even make it past wood. You mean your colleagues from school, or? So let me check if in move 2 we set. No, we don't say. Let's say it played through here. So we compute, we try attacking, we try speeding, and when we move, okay. But in try, should I first of all try speeding and then attacking? Let's do it. Try attacking. If played, return, and let's do the same thing for try speeding. Or played, return. Okay, this will not change our pack, but we'll just try to go to the enemy if it's close and I can beat him. Yeah, I did something wrong. In the player, int type ID Java language string type ID. Oh, it's a string. That means that it's the words themselves. Okay, new pack string. So if type ID equals to rock, paper, else scissors, replace with equals. Let's play it now. Again, or it didn't sync. Missing return statement, compute enemy. It's here. Okay, in pack return. Yeah, probably I don't need this if statement because if it's not rock or paper, it's definitely scissors. So right now so this is rock, this is paper, and it's trying to go there. Okay, I think I'm console logging too much. Yeah, let's stop console logging our destination and things like that in the map, I guess. Where is... oh, it's already maze, not my map. So where is other... yeah, let's stop printing that. I'm just trying to find something like attacking. Okay, here is it. It is attacking the player with position 2. This is... Oh, I think I know why. Because he is going to this palette. But why does he want to attack? Maybe this one wants to attack rock and this is scissors. Yeah, and that's why we need to check the distance. And if it's too far away, we will not bother attacking. So, compute, try attacking. If enemy pack is equal to null, or enemy pack dot well, I need the distance to the closest enemy pack. Should I just, where is it, get closest enemy, and let's return a map.entry pack dot and integer. So map dot entry pack dot integer, and here, yeah, we assign it this. Map dot entry. If enemy pack is null, or enemy pack dot get value is more than, I don't know what distance should we check, 1 2 3 4, more than 5, let's say, then we also should ignore it. Get key, and here is again get key, get key. Let's see. Yeah, in this case, okay, in this case I should probably just switch to another type if he's close to me. Yep. Yeah, let's try to implement it right now, because we are here and we can easily see and test, because here our cooldown is off. Okay, try attacking. Else if enemy pack dot get key dot beats me, or it doesn't matter if he beats me or not, because even if he's the same type of me, I would rather switch to something that can that's stronger than him. Try switch. Try switch, let's put it here, private void try switch. If ability cooldown is different than 0 and played, return, yeah, just return. But try switch to what? To the same way as we have beats. Can we put this on the enum itself? Get. Can we have it? Get methods on enum Java method on enum. Okay, we need just like this, and pack types get opposite if this equals to rock, return paper, else if this equals to paper, return scissors. Yep, scissors. Else but without else we just can return rock, because if it's scissors we need rock. The opposite is rock. Opposite like this. Yep. So try switch pack types to type to the enemy pack dot get key dot get we don't have a getter for the type, right? Get type dot get opposite. So we'll try to switch into the opposite of our enemy. Switching. Okay, try switch do switch to type, and our do switch will be the low level method that will just print do switch. And how is the what it expects there? Let's have a look. So switch pack ID and pack type. All right, switch pack ID plus pack types type to string. Will it work? Do switch. Alright, the only thing is that I'm always trying to speed before attacking, and if a cooldown is 0 it will speed and not switch, so let's try to switch the places of them. Try speed. Okay, let's replay. Yeah, I'm 66. Just a little bit and we are in. Okay, come on, switch. Why didn't switch here? Because it's too far. Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's too far. If we say if it's more than 7. Let's try and replay. And just to see that this one switches and attacks. Attack! Not, it doesn't switch. Rock, paper. If this beats enemy pack, attack, switch. Maybe what? Place pack 0. Target 215. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should be 6. If enemy pack is not null, let's just closest enemy is get key get ID plus at distance enemy pack dot get value. Closest. So let's check right now what it says. Okay, I'm pretty tired, but I want to nail this one. So let's go. Okay, my teammate. Why it doesn't get even here? Oh, I know. Because I don't see him. All right. And then I run and he catches me. Okay, probably. Yeah. All right. We'll try to find other cases where we can see that it's working what I'm trying to do. I forgot that you can see only like in one line. So I saw some attacking here. Let's also stop printing this one. I don't know where I'm doing that. Yeah, let's and replay. It will be easier to find the debugs. Come on. So here I can see that, yeah, something is happening. No. Oh, he just he switched his from paper to rock just when I wanted to kill him, and I died. All right, let's try to submit this one because I think this one works. Maybe it's not the perfect one, but some basic idea of switching and trying not to die works. Come on, please. I want to go to sleep. It's 10 here, so. By the way, where are you guys from? I saw that a lot of people from France are watching because CodinGame is from France. So this is me, the blue ones. I wonder why I lost. I think because I was trying too much to. All right. Oh no. I am the blue one. I was looking at the red ones. So yeah, I think I am doing a good job here collecting these ones. So why this one is just following him from Crimea. Hello Daniel from Crimea. So this one is following the enemy too much, but I don't understand why he doesn't speed. Or maybe he's in cooldown. Yep, interesting. Interesting why I lost there. Okay, I am the blue one here. Yeah, it's hard to understand like why it's losing, because here it goes like, yeah, I have like even more pallets. Okay, I see here both of us are changing the type when we can. So you see, we were both papers, and after that we were both yeah, we were rocks and then papers. That's also something interesting. Yeah, that was a crazy game. Hmm. So, how's it going? Do we have any chance? Yeah, but nonetheless, we managed to implement a couple of things here. So, with the most important thing is that we fix the bug with um, collision avoidance with my teammates' packs. Then we took into consideration going through borders to the other side of the map. Yeah, we moved 2 steps ahead and not to the final destination. This is because sometimes it finds another path without obstacles, and in order to fix that bug, so then move only the closest pack to the super pallet and not everybody. Yeah, that's also something that we implemented. And yeah, waiting for the battles. Come on. I think I don't have a chance here. So he's 32, the bot, and I am 29. Only 2 points. If we're not winning with this, I have one idea to decrease the distance between enemies. Let's analyze here why we lose, because here one of my packs dies. Which one? Here. Okay, we see him. All right. What we are gonna do? Try attacking. We will try to switch, but if we cannot switch, we should just go in another direction, because we know that the enemy can beat us. Let's return here a boolean and return here false and here true. So if try switch could not switch, we should run away. We should run away. How we will run away? How we will run away? Running away from you takes time, and I'm so tired that I can't think of anything here like to run away. Probably I know what that means. That means that we will finish it tomorrow. 30.95 and the bot is oh, and 13th. Come on, please. No, I don't want to give up so easily. 32, only 0.5%. Let's decrease this distance to 5. Yeah, let's try with 5 and submit. Come on, please. Win. Come on, win. Yes. One more win. Come on. What do you say, guys? Are we doing it? Win. Yes. Win. That's a good strike right there. Yep. Broke the streak. But that's still good. So I'm the red one. Yeah, I think he just has a better like walking algorithm that eats more pellets. So yeah, here I cannot say anything. Because without any like attacks, without anything, he just collects more pellets. Alright, that's fair. Is it okay? So far we only lost. Come on. Toots. How is your progress, guys? How are you doing in the contest? What rank are you? So 30. Okay. 30. Okay, have a good winning streak. Insane. I'm on the first place. Keep there, stay there, please. You're 22.8 in a silver league or in what league? Alright, I think we are doing pretty good. We are on the first place. Okay, my Mac is running low. Let's try not to break anything at the end of a stream. So, come on. No, don't lose. $233 bronze. That's nice, yeah. Started watching me yesterday. How did you find out about me? Strafe, do you want to see a battle between us? Just a friendly battle. How can I find you? Yep, I think that's you. Let's go the battle of the day. Come on. Strife is winning. You actually are doing pretty good. Yeah, you're doing better than me. I'm wondering why you're not yet promoted. Yeah, that's really nice. Congratulations. Yeah, here it seems that I'm collecting more. And you ate me. What happened there with my... Okay, it just went into you and I died. And here the same, right? Yeah. Well, I don't know. Yeah, but good job. I think there is like some very easy fixes, or you just change something and instantly you're boosted like a couple of 100 places in the ranking. So yeah. What are your next ideas? Like, what do you want to implement? Or I'm still very close to the bot, so I might not be promoted, but we'll see. How many percent of the battles? 53 only. And I had a lot of losses here. Let's hope that we can end it today. Working on a better condition to switch, but I'm not exactly sure when the best time to is. Yeah, Yeah, the only thing that bothers me is that sometimes my pack will just run after the enemy and will never catch him. So in that situation it doesn't make sense because it's even worse to do so. And because he will collect the points but you're gonna run after him. So yeah, probably in future I'll make some conditions if I know that we're gonna collide, if he's coming towards me or something like that. Only then I will oh no, I dropped to the 8th position. No, come on. Go, go, go. Win. Come on, we need a win. Alright. So 32.28. And the bot is at 32.82. That's gonna be so sad. Are you checking if you can beat him? If you're stronger than him and then like attack him? Okay, 5th. Come on, please. Win, win, win. We need it. Yes. Win. Yes. Come on. Win. Do it. Yes. I think that if I'm not looking at this one, it starts losing. So I'll just be sure. Okay, win, win. Come on, come on. I'll just stay here and watch it. Yeah, but the closest pallet will be right past him and I ignore him at that point. Oh, when you... Why you're not... do you have like some kind of pathfinding algorithm? I think that you can go silver with this code. I hope. Okay, we are third, so... Yeah! That's it, guys. Yeah, we are in silver. You've made it! Okay, there are new updates here. Yeah, we're not gonna check them today because it's quite late. And yeah, thank you very much guys for joining. Please subscribe to the channel and I will do such live streams later on. Probably I'll do it tomorrow and with in the new league. Yeah, stay safe, write clean code, stay hydrated guys, all the good stuff. Let me check where is the end stream button. Okay, bye bye guys, thanks for joining.